Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Let us solve this math question. And it reads that find the coordinates of the points on the curve y equals 2x raised to 2 minus 2x minus 5, where the tangent is parallel to the line y plus 3 equals negative 5x. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end so that you know what the answer is. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do first is to find the derivative of this curve. Okay, so here we have that y equals 2x raised to 2, then minus 3x minus 5. So the derivative, that will be the y over the x. We have 4x then minus 3. Okay, so now the next thing we need to do is to find the slope for this straight line. Let's take note that for a straight line graph, or for any straight line, you have y equals mx then plus c. Okay, so let us set this equation, okay, this equation of a straight line, to this form. So this gives us the y then equals negative 5x then negative or minus 3, so which implies that m equals negative 5. So what then do we do here? All we just need to do now is to set the derivative, okay, to negative 5, since the tangent is parallel to the line. So here we have 4x minus 3 equals negative 5. So let us add 3 to both sides. We have 4x then equals negative 5 plus 3. So here you have 4x equals negative 2. Dividing both sides by 4. So our x is negative 1 over 2. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now, since we've gotten the value of x, let us now plug in the value of x into the curve. Okay, so I will find the value of y. So here we have the y equals 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. So let us plug in the value of x, which is what? Negative half. So here we have the y equals 2 into negative 1 over 2 all raised to 2 minus 3 into negative 1 over 2 then minus 5. So to this end we have the y equals 2 then times 1 over 4, because the whole of this will give us what? 1 over 4, then plus, and that's because this minus times this minus will give us plus, and when we multiply 3 by half we have 3 over 2 then minus 5. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So here you have that y equals 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2 minus 5. Let us take note that at this point here you have the same denominator, which means we only just need to sum the numerator. So here we have the y equals 4 all over 2 minus 5, then which gives us 2 minus 5. At the end of the day, y equals negative 3. So the coordinate x, y will then be negative 1 over 2 and negative 3. So this is the coordinate of the points. Okay, please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.